Sunshine shining in the summertime, sneaking in my window just to say hello. Well, hello, hello. You're waking me up with only a one touch, and you bring a smile melting.
Emotion getting in your way. Afraid, but why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit? And don't call me in the middle of the night and say that you're not able to be loved. That's not right. No, I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you, so I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew. Not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together. You said nothing lasts forever. Do you?
Don't wait till it's just too late. Don't turn your back on the wave that's coming. Crash down on you. You're fragile like autumn leaves. Crackle on your heart, it grieves. Back in the same old chains, rusted by the rain. Wires crossed inside your brain. I'm not the poster boy for sane, but